Let's have a look at sustainability reporting across various reporting entities. And this goes back to the conceptual framework of financial reporting for various types of business entities, because the requirement will change and the need to disclose the type of information will vary across various types of organization. For example, in here we are recognizing different types of entities in the form of corporation, small and medium enterprises, partnerships. We should also acknowledge public sector organizations, the third sectors, and NGOs. And according to the International Accounting Standard Board's conceptual framework for financial reporting, it explicitly states that the purpose of general purpose financial reporting is to furnish shareholders with information about the reporting entity. So as for sustainability related information, the shareholders might also want to know both financial and non-financial consequences of corporate actions. And that's why it is essential to adopt the reporting framework in terms of sustainability that suits the type of characteristics of the reporting entity. These principles also applies not only for financial reporting but also for sustainability reporting also, as we are going to be able to see the corporations and SMEs and also the public and third sectors initiative toward environmental and